Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so grab you a snack and a drink. This one might be a long one. I will be telling you some of the BoxyCharm May base box spoilers, and there are a lot of them. And then I'll show you what we have on the BoxyCharm Premium May box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on any spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing spoilers for the BoxyCharm base box for June, as well as BoxyLuxe June. Thank you so much, Priscilla Acosta. Priscilla says, "Hey, hun, I hope you are doing good. Thanks for the spoilers." Well, you are more than welcome, Priscilla. Honey, you are very quick with that bell. I really appreciate you having that set. And thank you so much for coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So now we're going to start with the May base box spoilers. And again guys, there is quite a few of them I've got, and this probably isn't even half of them. Well, I know it isn't all of them, but anyways, so strap in. We got a bunch of them, and I'm going to get through this as quick and painless as possible. So the first thing is the GlamGlow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Now that was a choice item, so that will be a variation with the next 2 items. So you could either get that or chosen that, or the Hourglass Vanish Highlight Stick. Now there are 4 different shades, or you could have picked the Elements Resurfacing Pads. Next up is another variation. This is the Jouer Lip Gloss. Next up is the Haus Labs Matter the Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Now this is going to be in the shade Punk, which is that matte black shade. Next up is another variation. It's the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. And then we have the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eye Primer. And then we have the AM, something like that, Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Removing Wipes. And then we have the Trestique Concealer Crayon. Now there will be 3 different shades. There is Porcelain, Bisque, and also Toffee. Next up is the Beauty Creations Cali Chic Eyeshadow Palette. And then we have the Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. And next up is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Removing Cleanser. Now next up, we're going to try to spot some of these variations, and I do have a correction on one. I'll tell you when I get to it. First up, we do see the Ace Beauty palettes right there. I think one was Vintage Dawn and Scarlet something, but we see those there. We also see the Hank and Henry liquid eyeliner. We also see the Glow Recipe watermelon mask, and we see the Baddington lashes. Then we see the Blink black lash primer, and then we see the Daily Concepts daily shampoo bar. And the correction I had to make, I said these look like ColourPop eyeshadows, and they do. While they do look like them, guys, I should have known better. I don't believe I've ever seen ColourPop in BoxyCharm. These are from Ace Beauty. These are the Glimmer Shadow Duos. And then we also see that Grande Mascara, and we also see the Dose of Colors Lip It Up lipsticks. Now, guys, there are so many more in here, and I can't really get the names of them because even when I blow them up, I still can't see them. So as soon as they reveal anything else on that box, I'll do another video. Now, guys, let's go ahead and look at the spoilers we got so far for the May BoxyCharm Premium box. So first up is the Baddington Powder and Contour Brush Set. Then we have the Milk Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. Then we have the Pure Heals Centella 90 Ampoule Serum or something? Guys, y'all know I don't know how to pronounce anything. Next up, we have the Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara. Then we have the Sugar Rush Lip Butter Balm. And then the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer. Then the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And we also have the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Cream. And then last but certainly not least is the Smashbox Photo Edit Eye Trio. So let me know what you think of these items down in the comment section. Which ones are you hoping that you see in your box? And of course, as always, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll update you guys. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Terry Tarver. Terry says, "Thanks, Mandy. Love your videos." Well, Terry, honey, you are more than welcome. And it pays off because y'all come and watch them, and that's what makes me keep putting them out. I couldn't be more grateful for subscribers like y'all. Terry, thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye guys.